What's going on, everybody? It's another rainy day in Florida. Don't mind the terrible audio quality. My neighbors are running some machines down the road. I'm not really sure what they're doing. But I came out today and I found that some birds have decided to move into my front bumper here just in the last day or so. I guess they're trying to stay dry. It's probably the only place to go where the rain's not completely filling their nest. But I guess I'm going to have to evict them now, and hopefully they find a new place to stay.